Yesterday I mentioned that I was setting up a channel for my RVing hobby that I have, and that I was gonna help you walk through the process of setting up a YouTube channel because I get asked this all the time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google account and your YouTube channel, as well as verifying it. Now, Google owns YouTube, and you have to have a Google account, a Gmail account, to actually set up a YouTube channel. So we're going to walk through that first, and then I'm going to show you how to verify your channel, because that is something that you need to do in order to access certain features on YouTube, like uploading longer videos. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to do it. To set up a Google account, you're going to want to create a Gmail account, and to do this I just put create Gmail account here and search for it, and it'll bring up create your Google account and take you to the page. I'll put a link to this in the description below, but it takes you to this page, and then you're just going to fill out this information and hit next step. So after you hit next step, it says I agree. Ask me to verify my account. In order to verify it, it wants to use my phone number and click continue. So it sent me a verification code to my phone. I'm going to input this and hit continue. It tells me what my new email address is. So this is what I'm going to be signing in with to create my YouTube account. This is all you have to do to set up your Google account, and it automatically gives you a Gmail address. Now you've created a Gmail account, and all you have to do is sign in. So you're going to go to YouTube and sign in, and then it's going to ask you what Gmail account you want to use. So this is the one that I created. I'm going to use it to sign in, and now you can see that I'm actually signed in to YouTube. You're going to go to your Creator Studio, and it says you must create a channel to upload videos. I'm going to create a channel, use YouTube as Bloggin Brandi. I'm going to use a business name since I already have a YouTube account. Create a brand account. This brand account can have a different name than your personal account. For example, a business name or another name that you choose. I'm just going to do brand account name and call it RVing with B. I'm just going to name it that. You can always change this later. So now I've updated that, and it says no videos were found. It says you've added a channel to your account. Now you can add more channels by going here. You can add an account. This is where you would update this. Now we've set up our account. You're probably going to have to verify your channel. So let me show you how to get to that. View additional features. You're going to have to do this eventually, but the easiest way to get to this is just search verify a YouTube account. It's going to take you, you'll see some links. I'll put a link in the description below. It will take you to this page. You're going to want to click this link, which populates this page, and you're going to be signed in over here, so you're going to see that. I'm going to select the United States because that's the country that I'm in. How should we deliver a code to you? Text me. It asks me my phone number, so we're going to go through this process and then hit submit. After we've hit submit, it's going to text me a code. Now I've received the code, I'm going to input that and hit submit. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Now you can see this in your channel status, and to get to this, you're going to go to this gear icon under your name, and then hit view additional features, and it'll take you to this page. So you can see everything that you haven't been given access to, and I've just created this channel. I've never put any videos out. So this is a brand new channel. So now you're verified. Now if you don't go this way, you can always just go back to verify your channel and go to this page and then click YouTube verify, and it's going to say your YouTube account has already been verified, just to confirm. So just the same link and then continue, and it's going to take you back to this page every time. Now you know how to set up your YouTube channel and verify it. If that made sense, make sure to hit the like button below and let me know that that made sense, or if you have a question, put that in the comments. I do read those. So I'll be going through those and trying to follow up, answer your questions, and you may be featured in my next video. Now, if you want to get the rest of your YouTube channel set up and get more subscribers and views on your content, then there's still some other steps that you're going to want to watch. I have some coming up in the following videos. But if you want to go ahead and grab some now, make sure to pick up my YouTube channel checklist in the description below. I have all of the steps you need to set up your YouTube channel and start getting those views and subscribers that you want on your channel. And if you want to check out the channel that I'm actually setting this up for as it evolves, that's my RV channel. I'm gonna put a link to all of this stuff in the description below so you can check that out. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.